Are you dreaming of owning your first home but terrified of making a costly mistake? You're not alone. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. But trust me, I've seen people lose thousands just by making the wrong moves. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 mistakes first-time homebuyers make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Make sure to stick around until the end, because mistake number 5 is the one that can cost you the most money. Now, let's jump in. Mistake number 1, not getting pre-approved first. One of the biggest mistakes I see? House shopping before getting pre-approved. It's like going to the store without your wallet. You might fall in love with a home only to realize you can't afford it, or worse, lose it to another buyer who came prepared. How to avoid it. Before you even start looking, talk to a lender, get pre-approved, and know your budget. This way, you'll be taken seriously by sellers and won't waste time on homes outside your price range. Mistake number 2, underestimating additional costs. A lot of buyers think if they have enough for the down payment, they're good to go. Wrong. Homeownership comes with extra costs: closing fees, property taxes, maintenance, and HOA fees. These can add up to thousands a year. How to avoid it? Make sure to factor in all homeownership costs and keep an emergency fund ready for unexpected repairs. A good rule of thumb: set aside 1 to 2% of your home's value each year for maintenance. Mistake number 3, letting emotions take over. Buying your first home is exciting, but falling in love with a house too quickly can be dangerous. You might overlook major issues, go over budget, or ignore red flags just because it feels right. How to avoid it? Stick to your budget and always get a home inspection. No matter how perfect a house looks, there could be hidden problems. Trust the process, not just your heart. Mistake number 4, skipping the home inspection. Speaking of inspections, this is a big one. Some buyers try to save money by skipping it, but that's a huge risk. Imagine buying your dream home only to find out later the foundation is cracked or the roof needs replacing. That's a nightmare you don't want. How to avoid it? Never waive your inspection. It's a small investment that can save you from huge financial headaches. Mistake number 5, not working with the right agent. All right, here's the biggest mistake, and it could cost you the most money. Many first-time buyers think they can do it alone or just work with the first agent they meet. But choosing the wrong agent, or none at all, can mean overpaying, missing out on great deals, or getting stuck in a bad contract. How to avoid it? Work with a trusted, experienced real estate agent who knows the market, fights for the best price, and protects your interests. This one decision can literally save you thousands. Now, which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a real estate tip that could save you thousands. See you in the next one.